Hello everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered if we can publish the multiple sheet templates that we have in model space at once in AutoCAD, only to realize that publishing them one by one is incredibly time-consuming? I used to wonder the exact same thing. Why can't we just publish everything directly from model space at once? Well, I found that AutoCAD itself is actually designed to encourage us to use layout space for plotting and publishing. And honestly, that makes perfect sense because layouts give better control over sheets, scales, title blocks, and printing standards. But let's be real for a moment, in some cases, we still feel like we need to publish directly from the model space. Sometimes we get the drawings from the people who still like to work on the model space. Some software provide us profiles and sections with the ready-made template in model space. And they are in many numbers. And in those situations, switching every single view into layouts just for publishing can feel repetitive and inefficient. So the big question is, can we publish multiple model space templates at once without manually plotting every single one? The answer is yes, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple and effective workflow to make that happen. So let's jump right into it. Since AutoCAD doesn't have this function, we will use a LISP file. Here we can see a LISP file. I have named it CAD Magics. And inside bracket multiple sheet publish from model space. Let's select it and copy it with Ctrl+C. Then go to the AutoCAD file. Type the command upload or simply AP and press enter. This will prompt us to the location from where we can load or delete any LISP files. So let's right-click somewhere here and click paste. Give the administrative permissions. Once pasted, click on it and click at the load here. And we can see the message here saying that our file has been loaded successfully. Just close the dialog box. So, for example, I have arranged 30 templates here. 3 number of rows and 10 number of columns. These template borders are in the size of A3 paper. That is 420 mm by 297 mm. Let's right-click at this model tab and click at Page Setup Manager option. Click at Modify. Here choose the settings for publishing requirements. Choose the paper size that has been used in our drawing. Click OK. Close the dialog box. By loading the LISP file, we have activated the MS Publish command in our AutoCAD. Now let's type the command, MS Publish, and press enter. We are prompted to select the first corner of first sheet. That is the upper left corner of our sheet border. Click here and then select opposite corner of first sheet. That is this bottom right corner. Click here. Now, select point for column offset. This means the horizontal distance of sheet corners from one page to another. So, click at the upper left corner of the next sheet. Again, for row offset, click at the upper left corner of this bottom sheet. Enter number of columns. Here we can see we have 10 numbers of columns. So just type 10 and press enter. And for number of rows, type 3 and press enter. And we can see PDF files are being created. These files are created at the same location where our AutoCAD file is saved. Let's delete them and try one more time. Type the command MS Publish and press enter. Click upper left corner of first sheet. Then click bottom right corner. Then click at the upper left corner of second sheet. Then click upper left corner of bottom sheet. Let's type only 4 number of columns this time. And 2 number of rows. And in few seconds, these 8 sheets are published. We can check. And once all the PDF are created, we can combine and manage them in Acrobat or any other PDF software. And one very important thing to remember is that these sheets should have been properly arranged for publishing by this method. Their spacing should be constant. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope this tutorial and the free LISP file adds some value to your drafting workflow. To grab this LISP file, click the link at description. And if you see this, don't worry. Just type Q after this capital D, and press enter. Then click at this download. The LISP file will be downloaded. If you've been learning something from my videos, it truly means a lot. I've got many more useful AutoLISP tools and AutoCAD tips coming your way. Since the channel is still growing, your support really helps, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more practical drafting tips and productivity tools. Got questions? Drop a comment, I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your drafting passion alive.